Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a delicious topic, continental flavors. So, let's get started and explore the world of continental cuisine. Continental cuisine, also known as European cuisine, is a broad term that encompasses the diverse culinary traditions of Europe. It's a fusion of flavors, ingredients, and cooking techniques that have evolved over centuries. From the Mediterranean to the Nordic regions, continental cuisine offers a wide range of mouth-watering dishes. Let's start with the Mediterranean flavors. The Mediterranean diet is known for its heart-healthy benefits, and it's no wonder why. It's all about fresh, seasonal ingredients, simple preparations, and a focus on quality. Think of dishes like paella, moussaka, and ratatouille. The flavors are bold, the ingredients are fresh, and the dishes are comforting. Next, let's talk about the Nordic flavors. This region is known for its cold climate, which has shaped its cuisine. Nordic cuisine is all about preserving and utilizing ingredients in unique ways. Dishes like gravlax, pickled herring, and reindeer stew are just a few examples of the unique flavors you'll find in this part of the world. Moving on to the Eastern European flavors, this region is known for its hearty, comforting dishes. Think of dishes like borscht, pierogi, and schnitzel. These dishes are often made with simple ingredients and are packed with flavor. Lastly, let's talk about the Western European flavors. This region is known for its refined, elegant cuisine. Dishes like coq au vin, bouillabaisse, and ratatouille are all examples of the exquisite flavors you'll find in this part of the world. Now, let's wrap up this delicious journey with a few tips on how to incorporate continental flavors into your own cooking. First, focus on using fresh, seasonal ingredients. This will ensure that your dishes are packed with flavor. Second, experiment with different cooking techniques. Try braising, roasting, or grilling your ingredients to bring out their unique flavors. Finally, don't be afraid to mix and match flavors from different regions. You might just create a new continental flavor of your own. That's it for today's journey into continental flavors. We hope you enjoyed this taste of Europe and that it inspires you to explore new flavors in your own kitchen. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious content. Until next time, happy cooking!